Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got a classic from 1983 for you. This is Uptown Girl by Billy Joel, probably one of his biggest hits anyway. If you like today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel. You're going to love this. It's a fun song to play. So go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Uptown Girl, let's get straight into it. Right, let's show you how it's done. So, strum pattern. Let's sort the strum pattern out first. Mute the strings. Just literally don't press down on the strings. Just cover the strings so they don't ring out. And then we're going to practice the strum pattern, which is down, 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 up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Just practice going through that a few times. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. This strum pattern runs through the whole song, so it's really important that you get it straight. Down, 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 up, down, up. Right, let's throw some chords in the mix. So as I said, intro and the verses all use this chord pattern. It's 5 chords, and we're going to go E, F sharp minor, then we're going to slide that all the way up to the 4th fret, which gives us a G sharp minor, then one more fret to the 5th fret, and we're going to put our finger back on. I'll show you all these chords, don't panic. That's an A, and then we slide the whole bunch up to the 7th fret, which gives us a B. So we've got E, then F sharp minor, then G sharp minor, then A and B. Okay, so E. Let me show you the, up to the camera, the F sharp minor. That's barring the 2nd fret, all 6 strings. We're going to go on the A string and the D string with our 3rd and 4th fingers. There we go. I've done a full video on how to play bar chords, so that may be beneficial to you if you don't know these chords. But yes, we're going to go from that, slide that up to the 4th fret, which gives us our G sharp minor, slide it up one more to the 5th fret, put your 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the G string, that gives us our A, and then slide that whole bunch up to the 7th fret, which gives us our B. So let's put that with some strum patterns. So it's going to go like this: E, then F sharp minor, then G sharp minor, then A, 2, 3 and 4 for the B. Now let's go through that. So the last 2 chords were A and B, and as I said earlier, down, 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 up was the strum pattern. So the down, down is going to be on the A chord, and the down, up is going to be for the B chord. Okay, so we've got down, 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 up for the E, down, 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 up for the F sharp minor, down, 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 up for the G sharp minor, and then down, down for the A, and the down, up for the B. So that's the intro and the verses. Let's move into the little bridge now. So what we've got here, we're going to go mostly all open chords here. So it goes like this. It goes C to A minor, to D minor, and then up to G. So we've got C, then A minor, D minor, then G. C again, A minor again. Now we're going to change to a B minor, then E major. So let's go through that again. So we've got C, then A minor, D minor, then C, then A minor, then B minor, then E, then A, F sharp minor, then we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to slide all the way up to the 7th fret and get a B minor there, and then we're going to add the finger for the B. Okay, so let's take you through them sections again. So chords for the bridge are, pardon me, right, so we've got C to A minor, then D minor, then to G, then C, and then A minor, and then B minor, and then to E. Then we go A to F sharp minor, and then slide it up, B minor, and then B, that uplifts it to the major. And then we start back over with the verse again that I just showed you. E, F sharp minor, then G sharp minor, then A and B. Okay, through the bridge again, C, then A minor, D minor, then G, then C, A minor, then B minor, and then E, then A, F sharp minor, then B minor, and then B, and then we're back into the verse again. So that was the bridge. Now the only other bit I have yet to show you is the bit that goes oh, 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 oh. Pardon my singing, but that's how it goes. The oh 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 bits. That goes like this. It goes G, oh, A, then F sharp minor, then B minor, A, then start again, G, then to the A, and then B flat minor. Now that's a B minor, but we pull it down half a step. And then B, okay? So the way we could do that would be G, then to A, then F sharp minor, then B minor, A, G, then to A, then B flat minor, and then to B. One more time, G, then to A, then F sharp minor, then to B minor, A, then G, then to A, B flat minor, and then to B. Now, you could tackle all of that if you wanted to as bar chords, completely your choice, in which case it would be G, then to A, then F sharp minor, then to B minor, A, then to G, then to A, and then to, we move up half a step and then take our finger off, which gives us our B flat minor, and then up one more to the 7th, which gives us our B. So let's go through that again. G, then to A, F sharp minor, then to B minor, A, then G, then to A, then to B flat minor, and then to B, and then to E, F sharp minor, and then G sharp minor, then to A, to B, to. So there we have it, Billy Joel, Uptown Girl. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always love to hear from you. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me. And a big, big thank you to everyone who's done that for me already. You are absolutely brilliant. Thank you so very much. So I'll see you in the next video. Take great care of yourselves, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.